Hey, Dave here with InvestED. I'm back in my office in Toronto. My colleague Christian was on the last video using sort of a left brain view of the stock market and how you can think about investing in stocks. I'm going to bring a little bit more of the right brain view of that, given everything that's going on in the world right now. The key word in markets, because of what's happening south of the border around tariffs, is the word uncertainty. Think about it. When you're uncertain about something in your life, right? How do you react to that? Generally, you have an emotional reaction to it, right? So sometimes one of those reactions, when you're really worried about something, when you're really feeling uncertain, is paralysis, right? So what happens when we get into periods of uncertainty is investors, even businesses, when they're not sure what's going to happen, they just take a step back and wait. So uncertainty is the problem that's been caused by the discussion of tariffs in markets. How do we react, though, as investors to overcome that uncertainty? Well, if we do the wrong thing, we react emotionally. We let those emotions take over. And when that happens, we're unlikely to make great decisions. My wife and I, we've got two daughters. They're teenagers. We've watched them through their teenage years and we've watched them make decisions, right? A lot of the decisions are made by emotion. And when they make those decisions from an emotional perspective, the decisions tend to be not as good as when they take a step back, take a deep breath, and make a rational decision based on the information that they have. So we can take the left brain, all the analytics, we want that to rule the day, not the right brain and our emotions. Whenever we have an important decision to make amongst uncertainty in markets, we want to take a step back, gather the information, maybe even talk to a good advisor to help us make the decision, and then make a solid decision and stick with it. That's a way you can become a more successful investor. Dave with InvestED, we'll talk to you soon.